Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can rotate picture in MS Word. So the first step you simply need to do is to open MS Word. Click on insert, click on pictures, click on this device. And you need to import any picture. So I'm going to import this picture for example. So here you can see the handle on the top. You simply need to click here and you can see that you need to rotate picture like this. So this is the first method. And the second method is you simply need to click on rotate, and here you can see option to rotate the image like this. So this is the easy process how you can rotate picture in MS Word. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.